Hey guys, it's MoonCuber here, and today we're going to make something interesting, like always. Our today's activity will be connected with Rubik's Cube, of course, and we are going to make some Etch A Sketching. Let's get started. Okay, it's time to draw. It will be not a surprise that I'm going to draw a Rubik's Cube, of course. I promise that these two things will be connected, Etch A Sketch and Rubik's. And by the way, I have this special edition of my Etch A Sketch. This is the limited edition that is made by cooperation between Rubik's brand and Spin Master that originally produces Etch A Sketches. So these two hobbies are combined together. Why not? This is the legendary toys from the 20th century and they both are great. When I made an unboxing of this Etch A Sketch, I like this cover a lot. It's made by famous Princess Edge, Jane Lebowitz, and this cube was drawn on the Etch A Sketch too, so I'm going to make my replica to try to make the same cube and we'll see what I'll get. Time to start. I already prepared the point of my stylus here and I can start from the corner at the bottom of the cube. Okay. The first line, it's not very difficult, and then we need to rotate. And here it becomes more interesting and more difficult. It goes okay at the moment. I like the result. Almost. I almost like the result. Oh. Well, not bad. I just made some mistakes with some lines, but it's okay, I think. Well, I need to say that this is a kind of relaxing and I like the process. Okay, I made the base of the cube and now I need to add the pieces on these three sides, the centers, edges and corners. Let's continue. This line turned out to be wavy. Here I forgot where is my stylus. Okay, the cube is done and now we need to draw stickers. Okay, I guess that the right side is done. Let's go to top or left side. So I made the left side quicker than the right one. With time, the moves became more strict and the lines became straight. And we still have one side left, and this is the top of our Rubik's Cube. Okay, and now I can say that the Rubik's Cube is done. Let's compare it with the original. Of course, my cube is not very proportional, but let it be so. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Nice. Okay guys, my Rubik's Cube is done and I really like it. It turned out to be good, not bad. I was a bit worried. I really like the process of drawing on Etch A Sketch, and when you are drawing more and more, your hands get used to the Etch A Sketch and your sketches become better and more beautiful. So let me know what you think about my cube or what else I can draw next. Leave me your comment, and that's it for today. Don't forget to leave your likes, subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon not to miss the future videos, and see you! Bye!